How to delete Google Pay business account. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can delete your Google Pay business account. So how can you delete your Google Pay business account? To do that, launch your Google Pay application for your business app, and then move to the top right corner and click on your profile photo. In the drop down menu that appears, ensure you click on help and feedback. That is to contact the help session. And so once you're on this page, you can see the help page, and you can see the option for you to ask help from the help community. You can see popular articles that have been written to address certain questions. So the next step would be for you to click on the search box and then type out your question, which is I want to, or you can just say deletion of my Google Pay business account. And then you click on the search icon. The articles that have addressed this question would be displayed. So you can just select the one that appeals to you. But if you cannot find your answer here, next step would be for you to click on post to the help community, and then you'll be able to get help from community members. And then whatever is being suggested for you, ensure you follow the prompt, and then you'll be able to delete your business account there. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.